flare-up in Shimla as protests escalate over demands of the demolition of an alleged illegal portion of the mosque in the city's Sanjoli area. Now, the protesters defied prohibitory orders and marched towards the disputed mosque. The hundreds of protesters clashed with security personnel and breached barricades. The police used water cannons and restored with lathi charge to quell the protesters. And let's go across to Amandeep to get more details on that.
There is a deadlock sustaining between the protesters and the police and the local administration, and now the ADM has given the last warning to protesters to disperse the protest, and otherwise the tear gas shells will be fired here. So preparations have already been done, and I can show you the visuals. The tear gas gun is prepared here. The police is in their action. They have the tear gas along with them, and that will be fired on the protesters to disperse them. So another strategy is being prepared by the police and the administration, just because the last warning has been given by the ADM to the protesters, making them aware that section 163 of new law has been imposed, which don't allow them to gather here in a large number. And if my camera person can focus, they have 2 tear gas guns and they have the tear gas in their bags, and in fact that will be fired as per the order of the ADM. So the last warning has already been announced by the ADM of this area to the protesters to disperse from this location. Police is heavily deployed, additional force has been called here, and to maintain the law and order situation. The deadlock is still sustaining. The protesters are not dispersing from the protesting side. The police don't allow them to move further. They are trying to push them back, but that did not happening. Earlier we have seen the lathi charge has taken place here at the protesting site. The water cannons has been applied. Now the third strategy of the tear gas shell is also being prepared by the police and the administration to disperse the protesters. So let's wait and watch.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.